Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set the TCC offset in BIOS on the Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To do that, you first need to enter the BIOS. While your device is turned off, short press the power button, and as it's launching, repeatedly click the F2 key until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. Then enable Advanced Setup by switching the toggle on. Open the Performance section on the sidebar and scroll to the very bottom. Here you'll find TCC Activation Offset, and you can add up to 25 values to it. Each point you add reduces your CPU's temperature by 1 degree C, but also reduces performance. Adjust this value to your needs, then click Apply Changes at the bottom, click OK, and exit either by clicking Exit in the bottom right corner or pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. That's it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.